Meanwhile, troops who returned recently from peacekeeping duties in the Golan Heights will have a new assignment here at home. They will provide security for Pope Francis during the pontiff's visit to the Philippines in January next year. Ara Perez reports.
Months before the papal visit, concerned government agencies have been devising measures to ensure the security of Pope Francis. This is a new mission of the 7th Philippine contingent to Golan Heights, who have recently received a number of recognition during their homecoming. The 300-strong soldiers will be back to work after a 15-day rest period in a bid to exercise security for the Pope.
Pagkatapos ng aming bakasyon ay magkakaroon ng I believe there will be an interagency coordination. As I understand it, the PNP will the lead agencies. And from there, malalaman talaga namin ang tasking ng Philippine Army. This will be a very meaningful assignment for us. And kung titingnan natin, this will complete the cycle of being assigned in the Holy Land and now securing the Holy Father.
The contingency expressed commitment in fulfilling their duties with this new mission. Meanwhile, the armed forces of the Philippines assured zero threats to the security of the Pope as of now.
Sila po ay gagamitin para sa pag-secure ng ating mga bisita, hindi lamang sa ating mahal na Santo Papa, pati sa pagdarating na pag-host ng ating bansa ng APEC. So yun po ang susunod nilang gagawin. Siyempre, ito ay paghahandaan nila.
Lieutenant Colonel Ted Dumusmog said it is with joy and pride that they accept this challenge to give protection to the Pope during his stay in the country.
We are organizing our battalion. We will be conducting training just to tailor fit later on what would be our specific mission. We are honored in some way because we are given again this gigantic task of securing no less than the Pope and the leaders of the APEC. And both mission was probably be challenging and demanding in Golan Heights. So